Target. It wasn't on Amazon or in bookstores. With money news from Bloomberg on KYW, I'm Tom Busby.
More photos released of the alleged gunman without his mask on as the investigation to who killed a healthcare CEO continues.
WPHI-FM Quakertown, KYW and WIP-FM HD2 Philadelphia.
Always live on the free Odyssey app.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 50-year-old male.
Alright, this is the northbound Northeast Extension. We're a few miles south of the Lansdale, or Quakertown exit, excuse me. This is a little bit of a construction update as far as them expanding this portion of the turnpike to 3 lanes each way. 3 headed northbound, 3 headed southbound.